May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily. Today is Thursday, March 9th. Welcome. So for those of you who are new and watching this for the first time, QuantBox is your global macroeconomic Quant-in-a-Box. It's an incredibly powerful fundamental tool that gives you a fundamental bias for any asset class you're looking to trade. And it doesn't just do this like all, willy-nilly. It actually pulls a whole bunch of really great data together, which is absolutely difficult to acquire without it. And consistently puts this together and gives you a fundamental bias. I mean, talking economic data, COT data, retail sentiment, seasonality. It gives you a market heat map. It's got all the goodies you could possibly want to give you a fundamental bias. 1 week trial is just $7.90. Here is what the dashboard looks like. So you can see here, that's the dashboard. You've got top buys, you've got top sells. Okay. Of course, what you have to do is you gotta then look at your technicals and make sure your technicals are saying the same thing. Okay. But what we normally do is look at the market heat map, and that gives us what's up with the market heat map today. Okay, there must be a problem with the link. I'll get that checked out. So it doesn't really matter though, because market heat map gives you all the top buys and top sells, or most bullish pairs and most bearish pairs. We're not worried about using that today, because right now we're paying attention to what's going on in the charts. Okay, so looking at our dollar pairs, you can see euro dollar coming through, strong sell. Pound dollar, strong sell. USD CAD, strong buy. Aussie USD, strong sell. Kiwi dollar, strong sell. Let's look. So yesterday we spoke about Aussie USD. And I said, okay, cool. Wouldn't it be nice to sell up here? Now that's still possible in the future. In terms of the 21 EMA, though, I said be careful of price stopping the structure down here, right? Like we were looking for price to come all the way back up, hit 21 EMA and continue down. You can see right now what's happened is that prices come up. Prices fail to make a lower low, and price now coming up. So you've got to treat this as a change of structure, okay? Absolutely have to. This is no longer trending bearishly. You've now gone to a range. You've broken out of that range. The structure of this is no longer lower lows and lower highs. Be careful of selling at 21 EMA. If you don't believe me and you still want to, make sure you verify lower time frames, okay? This has changed the structure. Can you buy this? Well, to be honest, I'd only buy this if price breaks this resistance up here, okay? Or if price makes a higher low down here. But I wouldn't really want to buy this because it's fundamentally bearish. I'd rather wait for price to be at resistance. You can see, like, look at the last while. How much money have you made from buying recently? Selling is where it's at, right? Got to wait for price to get to resistance. So just be aware of the fact that things have changed over there. Looking at the euro dollar, still stuck inside a range. We spoke about this yesterday. We said we weren't massive fans of selling down here. You can see there. Problem. Cool. Ranging. Bottom of the range. Pound dollar, we broke down further yesterday. Okay. Stuck in a profit-taking zone. Not where you'd like to sell. If you were going to sell 21 EMA, you want to make sure you haven't got higher highs and higher lows. Here's your big problem. Okay. Kiwi dollar. You can see same thing. Price came up. Price failed to make a lower low. Price now coming up. That means that the bottom of the range and 21 EMA are not going to be resistance. You can verify lower time frames if you don't believe me. USD CAD. All the way up here. Okay, fantastic stuff. We were looking for price to pull back down to support. That never happened. So you're still looking for price to pull back down to support, while paying attention to what happens over here in terms of price making a lower high or stopping to make higher highs. Okay. Yen pairs right now are currently, let's take a look. Aussie yen is currently neutral. CAD yen is currently neutral. Euro yen is currently strong as sell. Let's have a look and see. Euro yen. Sideways. Pound yen is currently neutral. Kiwi yen is currently buy. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. I mean, you are bottom of the range. Okay. So if you were looking for a buy, I don't like 21 EMA. Even though right now it's bearish and this is sideways. If you were going to buy, it's very easy. All you need to do is look for a higher high, higher low. Okay. Look for a higher high, higher low. You want price to close that support over there. That doesn't happen, do not buy. Okay. In terms of your Swiss franc pairs, we've got Euro Swissy coming through with a bias of neutral. We've got Pound Swissy coming through the bias of sell. Let's have a look. Pound Swissy. You can see they're currently bottom of the range. Not going to sell that. Aussie Swissy, neutral. Kiwi Swissy, neutral. CAD Swissy, neutral. Yeah, I'm not feeling things today. Gotta be honest with you. I'm going to keep an eye on the dollar pairs, pay attention to what happens there. You can go through all the pairs on the in the various currencies. Just go through your score chart summary, actually. There you go. There you go. There's your strong buys, there's your buys, there's your strong sells, there's your sells. Now, just make sure you verify things technically. Make sure that if you are selling, you're selling a trend. If you are buying, you're buying a trend. Okay. My personal feeling is right now, time to chill. But you do you. Just remember to stay patient, stay disciplined, stay liquid, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All the best in the markets today.